This is Martin Carlisle with a computeRSA problem from pico2017. Okay, for computeRSA, we have a few numbers here, and we're going to try to do the decryption. And I think the easiest way to do this is going to be, again, in Python. But instead of writing a program, I'm just going to use Python interactively. I just need to take my encrypted number and raise it to the d power mod n. So I can use the pow function in Python. I'm going to take my encrypted number, 150815, raise it to the d power mod n. And there we go, 13337. And I use Control D to get out of the Python interactive mode.